From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after promising a few 100-degree days, we finally got one today. It was 100 at 3:46 this afternoon. Just 1 degree shy of the record of 101 back in 2009. 81 was the record this morning. Previous record, 78 degrees. And we'll probably have another record-breaking night. We've had them all week long. And daytime highs, we're going to come close tomorrow. But the record for tomorrow is, I'll have to check it again. I think it's 101. But I think we're going to be shy of that. Rainfall, boy, we do need the rain. Haven't had much for the month. Normally, rain start picking up in the month of June, and after a dry May, it's getting awfully, the ground's getting awfully hard out there and needs some rain, and we do have some in the forecast down the line. So let's get over to the key wall, take a look at the stats so far, and we're on the leaderboard here for the hottest June on record at 85.4. Probably 85.5 is where we're going to finish off after tomorrow, smashing the record by at least 0.7 of a degree from 2011, 2010, nearly the same. And then the records slowly go down. Now, the normal for this time of year, average high, average low should be about 81.4. So solid 4 degrees above normal, and that's significant. And where's our warming most? Well, our average high temperatures are warming up by 1.5 degrees, and our average overnight lows have been increasing by 2.5 degrees since 1970. So we see a definitive trend over the last 30, 40, 50 years, and that trend is hotter. And why is that? Well, the Gulf of Mexico is hotter than the 20th century average by 3 to 4 degrees, and that's been consistent over the last 10 to 15 years. So this is the hot ridge of high pressure over us right now. Really hasn't budged, so we think we'll go for another 100-degree day tomorrow. At the surface, high pressure close to us, so the winds are very light out of the southwest. Eventually, this surface high pushes eastward as that upper level low does, and that'll open up the door for some tropical moisture to move in and allow for a few afternoon storms and less capping, what we call capping on the atmosphere, as that high pressure is subsident air. It keeps showers and storms at bay. Now, we did have some activity over eastern Louisiana. A nice storm on the northern fringe of Lake Pontchartrain earlier today over by the Hammond area. A few showers and thunder showers over the river parishes, but things have quieted down there. So it's all about the high heat. Excessive heat warning again for our Friday. Heat indices 112 to 115. Heat advisories coastal areas, southwest Louisiana, where you do get a little bit more of a breeze and effects from the Gulf of Mexico, limiting your daytime highs to a certain degree. So overnight tonight, fair skies. Once again, 80 the low. Models liking 100 or 101 tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Maybe an isolated pop-up shower off to our east. And we'll do it all over again Saturday. Start at about 80 and finish off right near 99 degrees. This looks like a pretty good call. But as we head into Sunday, more of a southerly wind, so that's going to keep our temperatures closer to a cooler 97 degrees. So keep that in mind. It's not going to be quite as hot by the end of the weekend, but still pretty darn hot if you're outdoors. So this high pressure begins to move off east as we head into Sunday. So we'll be in between ridges of high pressure going through the mid and latter part of next week, and that should open up the door for the daytime showers and thunderstorms. Nothing too heavy, nothing severe nor concentrated, but at least we'll get more clouds, the threat of some rain, and some days you'll get the rain. And thereafter, it looks like this ridge of high pressure to the west may try to rebuild into the area. We could see another heat wave developing come mid-July. And as we look at our Euro model, here's the 4th of July. Here's some showers and thunder showers late on the 4th into the evening. Hopefully that doesn't spoil any fireworks, but be careful with the fireworks. So all this high heat, everything's dried out. Fires are certainly a concern for all of us. And then at least scattered showers going through the latter part of next week as well. So temperatures tonight down to near 80. Tomorrow, same story, different day, pushing 100 degrees. That heat index above 110. And again, you'll see those high heat indices area-wide across the region. And that heat index maxing out right around 11 o'clock and staying high in that 110, 112 range through at least 6 to 7 in the evening before things quiet on down. So overnight tonight, 80 your overnight low, no changes there, fair skies. Working on our first supermoon coming up in the days ahead. 100 degrees the high for tomorrow, so equally as hot as today. today. Not much of a breeze out there, and we'll pray for a cloud or a sprinkle, but don't think we're going to see that. As we move into the weekend and beyond, temperatures upper 90s, mid 90s on Monday with a few more showers in the area, capping our heat, and then a better chance of showers and storms as we get mid to late next week, and we'll embrace the rain, but then we'll probably be complaining about it by the end of next week. But
You know as well.
yeah, upper 80s, lower 90s when we have better rain chances.
All right, thanks, Rob.